Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to make a Uber license in Australia, especially in Darwin, Northern Territory. So here I'm in the website, and to reach this website, first you have to go to the Google and type Rideshare NT, go to the first link. Then obviously I will put the link of this website on the description box as well as in the comment box as well. So you can check out all the links in the comment box, whichever I open right now. So let's get started. So for that, first you have to read this criteria. So this is called eligibility, where you have to be 18 years old, and you should have to have a NT open driver license and everything. Just go through this all the criteria, and once you go through that, then you have to do a H test, which is called hire and reward knowledge test. So just open the link. So this is the first test that you have to give. So you can give a test from here directly, and you can prepare for this test from this link, practice higher and reward theory test. So you can practice from here, and also there is a one more link where you can practice the questions from. So these are all the questions and answers. So if you click on one link, this is a 129 number question out of 137. So there is a question and you just tick one of them and submit the answer like this, and it will tell you which one is right and wrong. So this is how you can practice from all these questions. So once you practice from here and here, you can give the exam from here. Then you will pass it obviously for sure. Then once you have this theory test done, then you have to have a medical assessment done and police check. I have a document here as well. So this is a medical assessment form. This is a police check, and you have to have that applications ready. And if you want to know how to apply a police check, then you can go to the YouTube and write this on the search bar and watch this video for the police check anti. I'll put the link in the description as well as in the comment box as well. Then you have to go to this link and apply from here. Just click start now, and then just fill all the details and go next, 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 and you can submit from here. And once you do that, you'll get the CPVID and H endorsement on your license, and also one card called CPVID on your mail. So once you receive that card, then you have to apply for a CVL, and also you can renew this H endorsement through the medical assessment and national police check again done in 5 years. But now let's go and see how to get the CVL license. So for that, click on this link. So once you come this link, here it is telling you have to have a AVN number and vehicle inspection report. So you have to have this one ready. So the inspection report will look like this. So once you make that from the mechanic, then you can click on this one, go to territory services. Then you can apply from here with the start now and just fill all the details and go next, next, next. Then once you do that, you'll get the CBL license, and that looks like this, the paper, and you have to take out the sticker from there, and you have to attach that on the bottom corner of your car. And also there is a Uber platform where you have to upload all those documents. So this is the Uber platform. You have to upload all the documents here, and once the documents are uploaded and completed, verified by the Uber department, then you can start driving Uber and you can make extra money from your car. So this is how you can get the Uber license in Australia. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you for sure. And any other queries, I'll definitely help you. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video.